Annyeonghaseyo, Christina. So, you already finished writing your assignment, multiplication assignment. Okay, sasa gani? F1. Nagkana indayo eh. So 2. Okay, next time imo ibali-bali ha, pero ayaw pangarap og next time ha. Imo ning ibali-bali para dili ka kahas og paper. Ha, pero sige kay human naman. Okay na lang. Sige. So, I will retest your multiplication ha. Ayaw ka kulba para dili ka mahagbong. Okay. Paminaw ni Teacher Arlene. 6 times 2. 8 times 4.
32.
7 times 2.
14.
3 times 3.
9.
5 times 3.
15.
6 times 6.
36.
7 times 7.
49.
8 times 3.
1.
9 times 2.
18.
3 times 4. 3 times 4.
12.
Okay. So, Christina, makamemorize ka day no, pero ang kulang nimo is ang time na to duration ha. So, I will accept today, pero mag-practice jud ka nga mapaspas nimo answer. Kaya ang time duration nimo mulapas ka sa 3 seconds ha. Mo 3 to 5 seconds sa tungkuan. So, tonight, inigulit nimo sa school, mabalik na ka sa study room ha. Pero, more practice sa multiplication nga mapaspas nimo answer, okay? Kanang imo jud i-master ang multiplication. Although maka-answer ka pero ang time duration nimo is dugay-dugay. Okay? So, mag-practice more especially sa time nga maka-answer dayon ka nga mapaspas, okay? So, bye. You're going to school na? Okay, sige, bye-bye. Amping. Annyeonghaseyo, Lavin. So, are you done?
Yes.
Pila ra ganito imuhang assignment?
10.
10 times. Okay, baby. I will check it. Okay, 10. Get one. Yeah, katubak. Okay. So, since you are done writing your assignment, I will retest sa imuha ha. Still 10 question. And, ayaw ka kalba dahil. Okay, 6 times 3. 4 times 9.
26.
9 times 9.
81.
7 times 6.
42.
6 times 8.
48.
7 times 2.
14.
3 times 9.
27.
7 times 3.
27.
5 times 4.
80.
3 times 7.
21.
5 times 6.
30.
Okay, so you have one mistake ha. So, it's okay. So, tonight, balik na ka ha. Tomorrow na di ay. Tomorrow na di ay kay 5, almost 5 naman eh. Ang L2 is nagklase naman. So, tomorrow, balik na ka sa imuhang klase. Then, more practice ha. Kaya basig ganaha kasig suwat uguan. Nari na masayop. Okay, bye Lavin.
Bye, sir.
Annyeonghaseyo, Pauline. Ready na? So, kung ma-field gihapon ka sa akong retest, suwat na sa kagbalik ha, pero 10 times na lang. Tapos, 10 times siya within 1 day ra. So, karon retest na ka. If ever mabagsak yapon ka, so what kag 10 times until tomorrow. Mapas mo tomorrow. Test na sad. Retest. If hagbong gihapon, so what na sad 10 times. Retest. Hantod mo pasar ka. If ganahan pa ka. Ha? Pero kung mo surrender na kakapoy na kay suwat, it's okay ra jud ha. Okay, so fighting? Fighting. Okay, let's start. 2 times 6.
12.
8 times 3.
24.
9 times 7.
63.
5 times 5.
35.
7 times 2.
12. Ay, 40.
3 times 3.
9.
5 times 6.
30.
6 times 7.
42.
3 times 3.
9.
Okay, so you have 1 mistake. Good, kay 1 ra no? So, okay, so pass ka. Then tomorrow, you will going to back na sa school, ha? Sa awat, I mean, sa study room, ha? Balik na ka dere o klase. Same time sa imuhang klase before. Okay? So, bye, Pauline. Study hard, ha? Para di na magsigig sulat, ha? Dili magkulba-kulba. Be sure sa imong answer and sir ka mo sulti. Kay paspas kay ka sa dunya. Dili ni mo ma-sure imong answer. Okay? Okay, sige, bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. For this morning, I let my students to answer a quiz with regards of part of speech. Okay, exchange. Let's answer. For number 1, what is a part of speech for the word happy? So, nang happy. Adjective. Letter C. Number 2. Which word is a pronoun in the following sentence? She is going to the store. Asa ang pronoun ani?
She.
Okay, very good. She. Number 3. Identify the adverb in the sentence. He quickly ran to catch the bus.
Quickly.
Okay, quickly. Letter B. Number 4. What is the conjunction in the sentence? I will go to the party if you come with me.
If.
If.
Letter.
Number 4. Letter C. Number 5. Choose the preposition in the sentence. The book is on the table.
On.
On. Letter C. For number 6, identify the interjection in the sentence. Wow, that's an amazing performance. Okay, wow. Now, annyeonghaseyo students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this morning, I have written on the board. So you are going to categorize what part of speech the word that I have written on the board. Am I understood?
Yes.
Okay, you may start now. On the board. Ang did, asa man siya categorize? Ang did is diri sa verb. Ang me, asa man mabilong? Asa ang me mabilong?
Sa noun.
Sa pronoun. Ang blue. Asa man mabilong ang blue? Ari sa adjective.
Wait lang, teacher Lucille.
Ang Mary, asa man si Mary nabilong?
Sa noun.
Okay, very good. This is a noun. Ang I.
Ang I kaysa pronoun.
Okay, very good. Ang she.
Pronoun.
Pronoun sad. Ang an. Asa ang an gani sa
Conjunction.
conjunction kay connecting man siya. Ngayon, ang America.
Noun.
Sa noun. Ang no. Asa man yung no? Sa verb ni siya.
Ay.
Nabilong.
May verb.
Ang quickly.
Ly kaysa
Adverb. Basta na ly, matik na siya. Adverb. Ang N, asam na siya?
position.
Okay, preposition. Preposition. Mga in, on, under, between. Manay, preposition. Ang excellent, asam na bilong?
Excellent.
Asang excellent?
Interjection.
Mm,
Pronoun.
sa adjective.
Ay.
Excellent. On, asam na bilong ang on?
Preposition.
Preposition. Ouch.
Interjection.
Interjection na ay strong feelings of emotion.
Strong
Oh.
feelings.
Ang but, asam na bilong ang but?
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
Lagi ka ingon anak.
Naminaw yun is desereda. Cut, asam na bilong ang cut?
Noun.
Noun. Ang under,
Under. Preposition.
preposition. Ang
Interjection.
interjection. Basta na ay mga
Ay, bagong mo na kay India. Ha? Isiwan mo na ba si Nicolay? Ni-shoot na.
So starting tomorrow, you will bring your own bottled water, ha?